A long life spent in a miserable way.
Okay. Hey everybody, it's Lindsay J back with another video, and today's video I'm here with my boyfriend Andrea. So I have with me here Sarma, as many people know, and here I have given him like so many tasty and delicious American candies that he has never tried before. So it should be absolutely amazing, and I'm really excited for this. Bebo, are you ready for this? How do you think it's gonna taste?
Yes. And Snickers. I had Snickers.
Sneakers?
Like Snickers.
Yeah.
Snickers. I had Snickers. Jeo sam ovo ranije, normalno, milion puta. Ali ovo je neki jako čudnog izgleda, tako da svakako probam ovo. I'm ready.
Guys, Sarma is so good. I am so happy because shout out to his mom.
Kako rade YouTuberi?
Shout out to his mom because his mom made this and it's so good. Thank you, mama.
Njen Instagram će biti negde ovde, tako da svi zapratite moju mamu. Ona trenutno ima 657.000 subscribe-ova na YouTube.
Ja.
I 500 miliona pratioca. Zalepili su mi se zubi, ladno.
Amazing.
Let's not burn that. Ako nosite protezu.
Oh,
nikako.
braces.
Yeah.
But Bebo, they're so good though, actually.
Bele boje. Tvrdo ko kamen.
Well, I don't really like it.
How are you supposed to eat this?
Suck on it. What do you think? Bebo, this is so good.
Nikad nisam probao. Ima ukus kao, znate one crne, znaš bre one,
Yeah, I totally know.
znaš one crne bombone bre, one kao one odžečane, one.
Black bonbon? Black cookie?
Ne.
Black idea?
I've never seen anybody eat sarma like that. I don't want it.
This is so good!
I know. Ovako. Sweet tarts. Šta god to značilo. Sad ćemo probati to.
Ludi Andrea.
Probat ćemo ovu tableticu. Ko zna šta je ovo?
Is it good?
Da.
You have a cute face.
Ali sam srećan što sam dobio, znači kad je nešto iz Amerike, to je najbolje na svijetu, odmah da vam kažem. Tako da, probamo Skittles. Fokusiraj.
Ne! One by one.
That's not me. Ja kad jem Skittles, to ne ide jedno po jedno. Idu 10 po 10.
Bebo, 10 by 10.
Ja. The best one. What if you put this in Sarma?
Bebo, ne. Bebo, you're crazy. Luli Andrea.
Translate all this.
Chewy. Chewy.
Chewy, chewy, chewy. Chink, chew, chewy.
Chewy, Bebo.
Okay. I think that this one is better. We'll try. Yes. Mnogo bolje nego one naše što imamo. Kao kamen, tvrde uvek.
Cheers. Živele.
To oni medvedići. Znate, one gumene, ali bez šećera. Najjače nešto na svetu.
It's like a gummy bear that's sour.
Ali smo posle ovog neće imati zube koliko je ovo slatko.
You?
Da.
Me? Ah!
Du suck, Sarma.
O, tvoj glas, Bebo, to je dobro.
Belvita.
Da.
Not Belvita. Belvita.
It's healthy snack though. Good? Dobro?
Favorite. Ovo je sljedeći problem.
Toxic waste! You ready? Are you ready for this, Bebo? You didn't have this in
6 months.
6 months and
6 mjeseci nisam probao čudo, mada duše.
Strong, Bebo.
Probao sam ga u rakiji posljednji put, tako da...
Ajmo.
Ovo je bukvalno toksično. Oh.
Uskoro.
Zanimljiva činjenica. Ovih bolesnih bombona.
This is supposed to be one of the world's most sourest candies.
Ovo je jako kiselo. A posle? Preslatko. To bi bilo to sve.
Woo!
Give me actually that. Ali ipak, da.
That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please smash the thumbs up button down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you know what's good for you. Peace on the streets.
It's going down for real.